So I finally ordered vitamins from Care of. It's a vitamin subscription. See, they got my name on here. I guess it's custom to everything you would need. And they send it in these cute little packets. Your girl was starving, so I had to get some Korean food. So I had a bulgogi bowl and some kimbap. It was pretty good. And y'all, I'm so childish. Does anyone ever get tired of the car wash? I don't know about you, but I used to go when I was little with my mom and my dad, and it was just amazing. And now they didn't add more colors and more stuff. I swear, it's so soothing to watch them do this. I could literally watch this all day.
Have some mac and cheese.
You want mac and cheese?
Yes, mac and cheese with
Good.
a frozen strawberry smoothie.
Oh, really? Frozen strawberry smoothie, huh?
Yes.
What do you have in Brooklyn?
And pepperoni pizza with a side.
Y'all, so me and Bae found this new bar. It sells Korean food, and it seems like it's pretty reasonable, but the food was so good. It's in Tower Grove. It's called Stella Blues. I had Korean tacos. We had this crispy Korean chicken. And I think he had a sandwich or burger or something, but it all was really good, and they're open late. So y'all, this was my very good friend Jan's birthday party, and she had wonderful everything.